At local dawn today, Thursday, a new series of powerful explosions began to develop in the volcano Hunga Tonga, Hunga Ha'apai, an underwater volcano that came to the surface as a result of an eruption in 2009 and which is located opposite Nuku'alofa, the capital of Tonga. The Volcanic Plume Warning Center declared a red alert for air traffic and indicated that the height of the eruption column ranges from 16 to 17 kilometers above sea level, covering the entire territory of Tonga and adjacent islands. The images taken by the Himawari 8 satellite show the upper part of the mushroom. The plume is observed to be fueled by explosions that continue to occur. After powerful phreatomagmatic explosions in the Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai volcano, a tsunami was recorded in the capital Nuku'alofa, which, according to tide instruments, exceeded 10 centimeters. The last series of strong explosions of the Hunga Tonga, Hunga Ha'apai volcano occurred at the end of December 2021. A satellite image of January 2 revealed significant morphological changes produced during the last phreatomagmatic activity. Satellite images seem to confirm the presence of a new cone, which was likely formed due to accumulation of tephra around the mouth. The new cone is located to the northeast of the previous cone of 2014 to 2015, which has already been eroded by currents and waves.